to my channel. Today we'll see dialogue at the railway station or train station in German. So first we'll see a few words related to the railway station and then we'll proceed towards a dialogue. First word is Bahn. Bahn meaning rail or train. B-H-N, Bahn. And Bahnhof meaning railway station, because Hof is kind of station kind of thing. So it is altogether, it becomes railway station, Bahnhof. There is one more word for train. It is called a Zug. That is also there, Z-U-G. You have to pronounce it as Zug because Z meanings, whenever you mix these two letters, T and S, how it sounds. The same way you have to pronounce for Z. So it is Zug. Then comes locomotive Führer. Now here locomotive meaning engine and Führer is driver. So if you combine that, it will become engine driver, locomotive Führer. And for any kind of information, it is called as Information. Even if the spelling is exactly same as in English, but the pronunciation will be Information. So these are the few words related to railway station. Now we'll proceed towards a dialogue. Now suppose you go to the railway station in Germany, then you will go to a ticket counter or ticket window and you will say, Ich möchte nach Berlin fahren. I want to travel to Berlin. Ich möchte is I want to or I would like to. And fahren is a verb. It means travel. So, ich möchte nach Berlin fahren. Next sentence from your side will be, welcher Zug ist das? Meaning, which train is that? Welcher is which? Zug, as we have seen it earlier, the earlier slide, it means Zug is train or railway. So, welcher Zug ist das? Which is the train which goes to Berlin. Then that person will tell you the name of the train or the number of the train. Then say, ich möchte eine Karte kaufen. Meaning, I want to or I would like to buy a card. Karte meaning card or pass, ticket. And kaufen is a verb, which means to buy something. It's a verb. So it will become, ich möchte eine Karte kaufen. Here, in this case, eine is indefinite article. So there is a separate video on my channel called Indefinite Article. You can go through it. So again, you will ask, obviously, was posted thus? Meaning, what is the cost of that particular ticket? So was is what, posted is cost of, and thus is that. So was costed thus, meaning what is the cost of that? Then that person on the other side will say, es ist 20 Euros. It means it is 20 euros. Okay, 20 is 20. And euros, if you see, the spelling is exactly same. But you have to pronounce it as euros. Because whenever EU comes together in German, the combination, it is pronounced as eu. So it will be euros. Euros is the currency which is used in Europe. So it will be, es ist 20 Euros. It is 20 euros. Then you will say, okay, then give me eins. Okay, dann is then. D-A-N-N, dann, meaning then. And give is a form of geben. Geben is a verb. It means to give something. It's called as geben. It's a verb. So, okay, then give mir to me eins, one. So it is like that. Okay, then give me eins. Okay, then give me one. So this is a small dialogue at the railway station in Germany. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.